welcome to a new video, and today I am going to be playing Pixel Petz. Well, I'm going to be fixing, so I'll just go over it with a voiceover. So I'm going to buy the curl head, because it looks cute. Okay, the head is too low, so I'm going to adjust it. Yeah, that seems good. Okay, I'm going to undo the shading, and I'm gonna get a yellow color. Yes, okay, so that seems perfect yellow. Time to get a little bit of darker one. Perfect. And, okay. It's pretty good to start with. Okay. Need to get the legs. So I'm trying to make a duck, but I might change my mind. I'll get a little bit of a lighter color. Okay. Yeah, that seems perfect. Hold on, I forgot. How come that didn't show me that? Okay, so let's get the other leg. Let's give the same colors. Okay. That's two the same color. I don't like that. Let me go back to the other leg and get that color. Okay, there we go. That's good. Okay, now I want to do the eyes. I'm gonna go for a basic style eyes. Not anything too complicated, so then it's pretty easy to do. Okay, we got the eyes done. I don't have the coronavirus. So I need to add a little beak. Okay. That's pretty cute. Oh, let's erase the dot. Yep. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna do this or a parrot, so I'll probably just kind of do a parrot too. Okay. Gotta get all. That looks like lipstick on its mouth. Why? Just why? Lipstick. Okay, that's good, that's good. Get the curl for now. Put on the turkey body, and then I'll do the blank. Okay. I kinda don't want to do the curl head, but I can see if I don't want to do that later. So, I'm gonna get a red color, because it's a parrot. This might take a little bit, because you can't fully do a parrot without taking your time with it. So I'm hoping I can do the shading really good. And, yeah. Oh, I gotta erase that corner. Yep, okay. So, let's do the other eye like that. This is gonna be pretty fun, but I want you guys to vote in the comments if I should do this or the other one once I'm done with this. So, yeah, I'll have a little thing at the end of it. At the end of the video, just saying a few. Oh, I need to do blue. What was I thinking? Okay, that's good. Okay, that's pretty good. I just want to shade them more. Okay, this seems pretty good. I just need the green to have a little bit of shade on their side. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, and then I will see. It's good. You can barely see the shading, of course. I might add some yellow, even though I said I'm not going to do yellow earlier. I never said that, I just didn't want to do yellow. So, probably get, what do we get? We definitely need to, like, get this color scheme good. Okay. After the video, I might shade it better because, it looks, it's not the best, and I want to improve it as much as I can. I definitely need to. I'm going to start with the other wing, and then probably go to more detailed shading afterwards. Okay, this seems pretty good so far. I'm definitely gonna add a yellow. Okay. Why do I keep looking at my notifications? I don't know why, but... Okay, so... I'm 100% gonna add yellow, because... Yeah, I'm just gonna shade it a little bit, and then... It'll be good. Oh, yeah, okay. My OCD, okay, that seems pretty good. I'm just gonna make it a yellow color. Yep, that seems pretty good. I'm gonna do the other wing like that. Okay. So I just need to get same color. Okay, I'm just adding this. I'll probably do like the red outline and another color just a little bit. Because I'm just gonna, it just doesn't look too, yeah, I'm gonna do this because I don't really like how it looks, right? Like, I don't like how it looked before because, I mean, that wasn't the best. So, like, that's pretty good so far. I need to add a beak. Like, it's pretty hard to get the exact color you want sometimes. That looks a little bit too yellowish to me. There we go, that's a little bit better. That only has 3 blocks down, so I'm just going to do that. And, okay, I'm probably just, yeah, I'm gonna do the legs. Sorry if this is really long. Okay, let's put that one in. And here's the other one. Okay. This seems pretty good so far. I'm gonna say... Sorry, but like... So I just did that. I don't know why I did that. Let's get like... I'm gonna do the same... No, that doesn't look too good. That looks really ugly. So I'm just gonna do it the same color as the inside of it. boring, so I'm just gonna not do a voiceover of this part, so, I mean, if I seem clueless about some part, it's just that I'm voiceovering it, so, I don't know much. And also, all of my notifications that I get will be blurred out, because that's not something everyone should see. I mean, YouTube notifications, app notifications and stuff like that. So, I'm just gonna be quiet for a little bit. Okay. Seems pretty good. I'm just gonna have a hard time deciding which one to do, so I'm gonna let you guys decide in the comments. So, bye-bye! And I'll probably do a video tomorrow saying which one I make. Okay, sorry for saying this again, but bye!